table looking there. Typical Puma. 36-inch table. Probably have all the table specs already. Alright, what else do you want to do here? Fire up the spindle a little bit here. Like 1500 left off from the rear. Yep. Through here. It's at 4,000. I don't know where this thing is. Let's try it here. Not 50. Definitely not going to be 50. 5,000 working. 7,000. Right, excellent. Just want to make sure.